O, ngayon ayaw niya.
Yung kapatid na ito, sobra. Music.
I love music.
Sobra sa books natin. Do not edit that. It is a movie joke. That's it. I love it. There's a example. Daddy, do like this, Daddy. You do like this. Do you know like my scores?
Okay, I will give you a score. 10.
It's my score is zero. It's O. Zero. That's zero. X O.
Kuya, don't be so... Ikon, kuya.
X O. I want to keep it.
Kita ka sa video na ano.
No. You have a face mouse.
You're not having a good image now. Because you're hurting your brother.
Hey, do not show your tongue. Do we do that? Sa baba. Last time.
Anong ginagawa niya?
Last time sa where's last day, not this day, but is
Yesterday.
Saturday,
Last Saturday.
When I did it,
Yesterday.
in the carpet that there's some of us, your photo shoots. Anytime get all I do it.
Like that?
I shoot, you do it. And you like this.
So is that a bad thing?
Yes, it's a bad thing. Ang bastos na.
Ay, bad thing.
Sabi ko kay Mami. Bye, Dad.
Saan punta na eh?
Tupong kita na.
Magot ka, anong ano mo ngayon? Susunod mo kanya kanya. Huwag mo sabihin niyo sa kapatid mo.
I love my brother, but it's making me more independent.
Ba't ba kayo nagkakapikunan dalawa? Ha?
What?
Ano ba yung pinagkakapikunan niyo?
I don't know.
Doon naman pala eh.
I'm going to play music and make a song, and they not just only want to hear music, not a song.